Welcome back to the Collectible Card Guy Channel. We're continuing our Pack-A-Day series with our Topps Chrome 2021 Update Series Blaster Box Break. So we're on to pack number 8 today, so let's go ahead. Pack number 8. Okay. First card, Esteban Florial, rookie debut, New York Yankees. Second card, Keibert Ruiz, rookie debut, Dodgers. Third card, Chris Rodriguez, rookie card, Los Angeles Angels. And our final card, Kohei Ariara, Texas Rangers. Just to recap what we pulled, Esteban Florial, New York Yankees, rookie card. Keibert Ruiz, rookie card, Dodgers. Chris Rodriguez, Angels, rookie card. And final card, Kohei Ariara, Texas Rangers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our Instagram and eBay page. We'll see you in the next one.